Hi, welcome back to the Coding Genius, and in this video I will show you how you can use Mongodb and to connect with our nodejs. Okay, so first of all come to browser and create a Mongodb account if you don't have, by just search like Mongodb login. Okay, so I have already Mongodb account. I have then just logged in. Okay, so come to this will be the dashboard after login. And so first of all we will create a new project. Okay, let's take some time. Project name will be auth. Click next. Okay, then create project, and here you can add different members. Okay, but I have only one, so create project. It will take some time and then it will create a brand new project. Okay, so now we will create a cluster. Okay, then we will select this free trial, and if we scroll down, then you can change a region that is nearest to you. So by default is Bombay. Now create deployment. Okay, it will take some time. Okay, so this is the username, just copy it, and this is the password. Okay, so choose a connection method. I think setup user security permission below. Create database user. Okay, so we will create a database user. Now choose a connection method, and here we will select I think this one. Access your alt's data using MongoDB native drivers, for example nodejs, because we are working with node. Okay, cluster is provisioning. It will take some time, then it will show us a URL. Okay, so it is created. Now we will just copy this URL, and here we will create a new file, .env file, mongos URL. That will be like, I think, just copy this again and paste it here, and instead of this password I will just copy this and remove these angle brackets. Okay, so just save this. Okay, so this is for our Mongo's URL. Now I don't need these. Okay, now click done. If you don't get that URL, then after creating cluster you can get that URL from this button by clicking on this button, get connection string. Okay, so you can copy this from here. Okay, now I will show you one more thing. and that is, and here you will create an IP address, and I will select this, allow access from anywhere. Okay, now just click on this confirm button. It will add this IP address. Okay, so right now this is these are the settings for our Mongo. Now we will come to our terminal and we will install Mongos, Mongo. So our Mongo's package is successfully installed. Now if we come to package.json, here you can see it's added successfully. And one more thing, we will add like npm .env. So .NET package is also added. Now we will create a folder like db move to trash. This is the folder db, and here we will create connect db.js file, and here we will write code for our MongoDB connection. First we will import Mongos from Mongos. Okay, and here we will write export const connect db, and we will create an arrow function like this, and here we will add try catch. CTCH. Okay, and here we will print console dot log error during connection. Okay, and here we will process dot exit. We will exit the process, and exit 1 mean true, 0 mean false. Okay, now here we will write code for our MongoDB connection, and that is like const con is equal to mongos dot connect process dot env, and if we go to our env file, this is the code env dot this, and here we will print console dot log MongoDB connected. Okay, so, and if we will save this file, now come to our index.js. Now here we will import our .env like this. Okay, and we will make .env.config. okay, so it will make configurations, and now we will import connect db from \db/connectdb.js. okay, and now if we come to this, then here we will write connect db as a function. Okay, so there is one more concept, and that is for this export. Actually, when we want to use one class code into other, so we will make it here export. Okay, so that's why I have used this export to get this function here, and I can use it like this. Okay, so actually it will call this connectdb, this function. Okay, if we don't use this export, then we can't use it. Okay, so now I will just clear this and I will run the code like node index.js. Okay, it's giving some error. It's db, b is also capital. Here we can see. Actually, we will use this function name here, connectdb, and it will be like connectdb. Just save it and we will run the same code again. Okay, here we can see server is running on port and Mongo is connected. Okay, so our MongoDB is successfully connected with our nodejs code. Okay, so this is for this video, and I will see you in next video.